Life is better when camping, but it's way better if you equip yourself with the best camping gear. In this video, we're going to show you 9 next-level camping gadgets that you can buy on Amazon today. So, without further ado, let's go! Up first, Valourgo Collapsible Water Bottle. This unique water bottle was designed for those on the go who frequently participate in outdoor activities. The collapsible silicone water bottle breaks with the traditional plastic and stainless steel water bottle concept. After drinking water, you can fold it and make it reduce the space in your backpack. Or you can stand it up whenever you want. This unique gadget comes with a special valve that keeps it leak-free. In addition, it is non-toxic as it is made of BPA-free, food-grade liquid platinum silicone. Perfect for any use, including camping, hiking, and cycling. The price on this? A cheap $11. Number 2. Anker 757 Portable Power Station. Whether you're looking to take your outdoor adventures to the next level or protect your home with backup power, Anker has created a solution you can trust for whatever you need power for, wherever you need it. The 757 Portable Power Station allows you to power your devices every day for 10 years. With a 100-watt fast-charging USB-C port, ditch bulky adapters and charge your laptop at high speeds with just one cable. Instead of taking 5 or 6 hours, this incredible piece of engineering recharges to 80% in just 1 hour. In addition, the power station has all the ports you need to charge your devices and appliances. With a capacity of 1,230 watt-hours and 1,500 watts, this powerhouse is the ideal power solution for all your essential devices and appliances on the go. The price on this? A well-invested $1,400. Number 3. HOTO Camping Flashlight. No matter the scenario, HOTO flashlight is an indispensable tool for outdoor activities. 1,000 true lumens to penetrate the darkness, intense brightness, and long distance, up to 200 meters, are always ready to broaden the horizon. 5 modes help you cope with different situations in time. A 2,600 mAh lithium battery supports long-time use. Hook it up anywhere and find help with the SOS mode, even in Earth's darkest corners. The transparent and durable PC lamp head combined with the smooth matte texture of the aluminum alloy case make the finest tool design, bringing that spark of fun to your life. It's perfect for camping lovers. The price of this sweet gear is only $89. Number 4. Kuma Outdoor Gear Lazy Bear Heated Chair. Beautiful, comfortable, easy to install, and lightweight. I recommend this chair to all those parents who sit around on those chilly falls and early spring days watching their kids play sports. The Kuma Outdoor Gear's Lazy Bear Heated Camp Chair features the exclusive Add Heat control system. It also has a power bank of 10,000 mAh, and a rubber lighting control button on the right arm allows you to choose between 3 different heat levels. This battery pack has 2 USB power outlets to power the chair and your favorite device. It's even better for the low price of $210. Number 5. Max Sports Camping Portable Folding Hammock. You'll love the creative design that allows you to set up quickly without using any tools. Top Notch uses a unique, patented design that allows it to collapse to the size of most camping chairs, yet is roomy enough for one person to stretch out comfortably. The hammock features a control strap that connects to your kayak. With metal carabiners between the lash and the boat, you'll have a firm hold on your windsail. The top-notch hammock has a built-in ergonomic pillow, a sturdy storage area to keep all of your valuables safe and off the ground, and an ultra-compact carry bag for maximum portability. The price of this next-level gear is only $79. Number 6. SunJack 15-watt Foldable Solar Panel. Your ultimate power companion. This is the perfect accessory for your active lifestyle. Charge your phones, tablets, and USB devices during outdoor adventures. Essential for any disaster, emergency, and hurricane preparedness kit to survive. With the SunJack as your power partner, simply plug it in and turn it on. The SunJack is robust and durable, it's waterproof, shockproof, and fall-proof, and in addition, it features a weather-resistant ETFE outer layer that extends the panel's life and requires much less maintenance than the other brands on the market. The mesh pocket provides ample storage space for most electronics and accessories. At the same time, elastic straps secure phones, power banks, and more during storage and transport. The device is ideal for camping, backpacking, hiking, and outdoor adventures. In addition, it is essential in any disaster, emergency, and hurricane survival preparedness kit. The price on this? A ridiculously low $59. Number 7. Flex Capacitor Ultralight Backpack. Meet the package that does it all. The Flex Capacitor pack includes adjustable volume to handle short and long hauls and a flex-wise suspension system that exceeds its weight class. With 3 sizes in a 25-40, 40-60, and 60-70 liter capacity, there's a flexible package to suit your needs. A bucket lid with a stash pocket keeps everything under lock and key. In contrast, dual elasticated side pockets cover everything you need. The hip belt made this pack stand out from the competition, as it features 2 pockets that keep items secure and easy to reach. Shoulder strap water bottle pockets also carry a GPS or phone for quick access, and the belt pockets keep items secure and easy to reach. The price of this? $120. Number 8. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Wood Burning. Turn fire into electricity with BioLite's Camp Stove 2 Plus. Patented combustion technology creates a vortex of smokeless flames for a portable campfire that can cook meals and charge your devices. Camp Stove 2 Plus generates 3 watts of power, charge and cook simultaneously, or store energy in the 3200 mAh battery for later use. This light and super packable wood-burning stove covers all the bases, including camping, backpacking, and emergency situations like losing power. Fold-up legs provide stability, and the scalloped pot stand ensures a perfect fit for accessories. Leave the gas canisters behind and unlock the potential of the sticks and twigs around you. BioLite works to deliver renewable energy solutions to households living beyond the grid. The price on this bad boy is just $149. And number 9. Supology Camping Lantern and Bug Zapper. I don't know about you, but I hate bugs. This portable tent lantern contains LED light, lantern, and bug lamp. It's a handy equipment for camping, hiking, fishing, and adventure. It's waterproof, so you can remove all the dead insects with a quick wash whenever you like. However, this shop light uses shockproof and drop-proof material, so it's a good disaster and hurricane light. This LED camping lantern can also be a good desk light for family parties, barbecues, gardens, and camping trips. In addition, it has 5 lighting modes and a long-lasting battery that can work up to 16 hours. Say goodbye to bugs and enjoy your next adventure with this awesome camping gear. The price? An impossible $22. Well, that's it, guys. Now get out there and have an adventure. See you in the next video.